Peace and greetings. Today's demonstration will be the Allah 10 Holy Science Temple of Islam. And as you see in the upper right corner, FJE, Freedom, Justice, and Equality, which is Nation of Islam. You see the unity hand, which Noble Drew Ali used. But in this document, it speaks of the same wording of Noble Drew Ali, where he speaks of Negro according to science, meaning death, honors to Ali. But we'll go ahead and go through this. Allah 10 Holy Science Temple of Islam. We are inviting you and your family and friends to visit the temple. You will be wise to visit the Holy Temple of Islam. My brothers and sisters, you have been asleep long enough. Now is the time for you to wake up. Our Supreme God Allah declares that we must turn to our nation of people. We have only one way to turn to our nation, by accepting the religion of Islam. Islam means peace. Can a human being be a Negro? No. Why? Because science gives the word Negro death. Colored is something varnished, painted, stained, or dyed. Spanish gives the word Negro a black. That means anything black. Here we go. The Moorish named the river that runs through West Africa because it contains black water. What is meant by a word Ethiopia? This is all Noble Drew Ali's literature. Freedom, justice, equality. This is Elijah Muhammad now. Ethiopia means something divided. Look at this. These so-called Negroes, descendants of Morocco, of the Moorish Morocco tribe of West Africa. So he told you there's no lost tribe. There's no X. There's no unknown. They knew this from the beginning right here. They told you. Look, it says love, truth, peace, freedom, and justice. Look, right before the Muslim. Look, love, truth, peace, freedom, and justice. And that's freedom, justice, and equality at the top right. This is Elijah Muhammad. Love, truth, peace, freedom, and justice. Descendant Moroccans of the Moorish Morocco tribe of West Africa, which we know a lot of the princes got took from up there and brought here. But we know that they was going navigating L's from here to there, everywhere. But yeah, the Muslim want everyone to study about the religion of Islam. What is the modern name of the Garden of Eden? Mecca. Your messenger, Brother Abraham Lomo Muhammad El. So there you go. That shows that the Moors had L's inside of the Nation of Islam, what is called today. Now, hold on. This is Elijah Muhammad. You see that freedom, justice, equality, and they're speaking about don't call yourself black. This is Nation of Islam telling you don't call yourself black. And now they're telling you that you're black Asiatic. This is proof that you need to leave Nation of Islam or question them and tell them, hey, all this finance needs to go back to the Moorish Science Temple of America. It's Noble Drew Ali's, man. They didn't keep them up front, and this is proof. This is freedom, justice, equality. But they're telling you you're black now. But right here it says they're not to not call yourself black. They are playing you. All that finance you better demand and give it back to the rightful owners, the inheritors, where they learned everything and then skipped it around to scheme you. And this ain't even the cream of the crop, man. I told you, I sent Grand Sheik all the proof, man. All the clippings showing how they had the Holy Temple of Islam and Elijah Muhammad was the leader, and they went into court. He was getting arrested. They said he was selling $10 appellations, brothers and sisters. And we got this documented. This is for the Moors, man. Proof that these people are sellouts trying to get you for your Moozzoonahs. Trying to get you for your Moozzoonahs. So my question to 19 Keys, what's up with this, man? Why you got the Prophet's unity hand on here talking about don't call yourself black? And now in these days and times about freedom, justice, and equality, what about love, truth, peace, freedom, and justice, 19 Keys? Where's that at? Right here, you're telling the mothers, the fathers, the brothers, the sisters, the children, not to call themselves something that deludes to slavery, as Noble Drew Ali said. But now you telling them that they proud black Asiatic. You a sellout, man. You better change your ways before Allah comes. Noble Drew Ali done rode the boulder, and it's going to grind you to dust, my friend. Let the Grand Sheik do the rest of the demonstration, man. I hope he does it because he'll be able to really break it down. But Islam.